Hi y'all, Jordan Schlacey here with Joan Co Realty Group. Today I will be answering the question, how much are closing costs? This is a question I get quite often, and I like to tell people, telling you how much your closing costs are going to cost you is kind of like telling you how much it's going to cost to go on vacation. I need a lot of specifics to really give you a really good answer about this. So if you told me how expensive the house was you're going to purchase, what percentage you were going to put down, what your credit score was, and kind of gave me a neighborhood so I would know the tax rate, and even giving me a house, I can really tell you exactly what you're going to need for down payment and closing costs and everything of that nature. So within your closing costs are something called escrows. So you will need to prepay or escrow 3 months of taxes, 3 months of insurance. You have to pay your premium. There are a lot of factors that go into this. Now you can ask for some closing cost assistance from the seller, and this will help negate some of those closing costs and down payments for you. There are so many different programs out there that tell you how much you need to put down. So an FHA loan is 3.5%. There are 0% financing options, and then conventional, depending on which one you get, are 3 to 5%. If you have PMI, sometimes you have to pay a PMI premium, so that's a big cost. I would say either if you're trying to do 0% down and you get some closing costs credit, then you can have closing costs about $0, or a lot of people bring $10,000 to $30,000 to closing. So keep in mind, this is going to keep your, this is going to typically include your down payment. So if you do or don't have a down payment, obviously that's going to have a huge weight on this. Now, another thing you need to consider are title fees, lender fees. Those are things that are totally beyond my control, but I definitely know typically what they're about to be. I'm going to link to a, not a loan estimate, but a statement, a closing statement, and this will show you exactly what the closing costs were for one of my clients. So they ended up bringing nothing to close, and I know that's not super typical, but it will at least give you an idea of exactly how much closing costs are, even though this client didn't really have to bring anything to closing, which he didn't bring anything to closing. But so that's kind of the answer. It just depends on your situation, how much money you put down, what your credit score is because of your interest rate, and what programs you qualify for, how much money you make. Like, there are so many different factors, but I would love to help you discover these. So if you are local to Texas and local to the Houston suburbs, I would love to help you figure this out, or if you're relocating here. So again, my name is Jordan Schlacey and my brokerage is Joan Co Realty Group. Feel free to reach out to me. All of my contact information is below, along with the blog post that I was referencing that statement from. So I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.